I use this opportunity to felicitate with the entire Muslim Ummah on the celebration of the end of the 30 days Ramadan fasting. My prayer is that the Almighty Allah will answer all the prayers we ask for during the Ramadan and do away with all those bad things we do not want. By the grace of God, the end of this Ramadan shall bring fortune to all of us in our different homes.
It is our prayers as Muslims to witness more of Eid al-Fitr on earth and to abide by the principles theologized by Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam and the essence of Ramadan to be inculcated in the minds of all Muslim Ummah. Secondly, the message is to appreciate Almighty Allah for granting us peace, stability, and tranquility in Oyo State. The last 1 year had witnessed development in all ramifications.
To wish all of us many more years to spend on this earth. And I want to take the opportunity also to thank everybody, whether they are natives of Ibadan or they are just residents of Ibadan, for the support I've been having since I became the Olubadan. Particularly, I want to thank them for the role all of them played during my coronation, which was unprecedented. I want to pray once again that we will live long to observe more Ramadan and to have many more Eids.